Hey everybody, I'm Chris with chrisTcross Crafts. I just wanted to share a little bit about myself, let you know who I was. I've had a passion for woodworking since the late 80s. Right out of high school in the mid 90s, I worked for a cabinet shop, building and installing cabinets. Late 90s, I just kind of started my own thing. And I just got a passion for woodworking. Building something out of nothing, smelling sawdust in the air, really gets my brain rolling, makes me want to build. I ended up having my own business for a while and building custom one-off pieces. And early 2000s, I kind of shut that down full time, and I've been in the abrasives industry ever since, but still building and doing custom pieces. A few years ago, when I had to live in an apartment and couldn't have a shop available to me, I started doing paracord. If you're not sure what that is, that's the parachute cord, making survival gear, bracelets, rifle slings, just a variety of different things. So I decided to combine that a couple years ago and started chrisTcross Crafts, and that's kind of where it began. So now I combine the survival paracord gear as well as the custom woodworking pieces. So I'm setting my shop back up after a number of years, so hopefully you can come along with the journey with me and help me out along the way. If you got tips or suggestions, let me know. So I hope you enjoy this video and some of the other ones that'll be available. What? Oh, this is my buddy Max Hedstrom. He is assistant to the shop manager here, so he keeps things rolling smoothly and helps me keep from losing my head. Anyway, Chris with chrisTcross Crafts and Max Hedstrom. We're out.